I have killed 100 elephants. I have stolen 7,000 kidneys. I have 13 wives. I have destroyed a whole rainforest. Please come and prove one of them.
And answer about rape, you said, oh, humans have this
I know what I have said,
hormonal
please.
urge and we are not…
I know what I have said, why don't you just ask the question? Please don't do these things, it is happening from both segments of people. What you like, boo, you shout and clap, please don't do that.
This is what happens when you use gossip as your source of information.
You're referring to Ramayana as just gossip?
I am not referring to that same point.
Absolutely no. Please ask a question, I'm not that dumb that a question needs to be explained to me.
And answer about rape, you said, oh, humans have this
I know what I have said,
hormonal
please.
urge and we are not…
I know what I have said, why don't you just ask the question?
Those two answers to me seem like, oh, this is biological, let it go, oh, this is biological, it won't go.
Only if you guys can tell us what is inner engineering, only then will we be able to, face the forces of planetary forces. What exactly is this concept of inner engineering?
Okay. Right now, why don't you ask this institutional sir? Only if you tell us what is law, we will know what's the law. Do not make these judgments and don't think it's very smart to simply make judgments for everything. You are a lawyer, you are not a judge. Please don't do these things, it is happening from both segments of people. What you like, boo, you shout and clap, please don't do that. If you think you can prove you're smart, we will do something else to that.
A lot of the infrastructure of the Isha Foundation has been built on elephant corridors,
Really?
Something which both the National Green Tribunal as well as the High Courts have admitted to.
I want you to know, today if I want, by tomorrow evening, I can file 100 cases against you, all kinds of things. It's for you to come out of it in the next 20 years. It is not memory is important, memory is the basis of your individual nature.
Happens when you use gossip as your source of information.
You're just misinterpreting the whole thing, please, I have to say this. Where is gossip as a… You think the whole script… all the literature or whatever the history that we are talking about is all gossip?
No, I do not.
Going back to the point…
No, why are we referring to that now? You're referring to Ramayana as just gossip?
I am not…
Absolutely no.
Valid.
How are you saying these things? Do I look like a lyncher for you? Then why are you asking that question? I'm telling you, this is the problem. The problem is, we don't want to understand the reality and the pain of the people. We just want to make a judgment on them. Every year, over 100 uniformed men, including BSF soldiers, are lynched and killed by the cattle smugglers.
That's totally a different issue. Let's not bring that into it. That's totally a different issue.
No, please, why is it? It's connected, right?
So this is not just about…
No, please, let us… Why? Just because somebody wears a uniform, is he supposed to die?
There are so many people in this country who are daily wage workers, who at that point of time, spirituality and learning of their inner being would not be the most important thing for them.
You do one thing, you go to any so-called spiritual event in the country, will you see rural masses there or people like you in denims? Don't make conclusions which are not even true.
So this crude sense of knowledge that you say is the knowledge that's coming from the Supreme Court of the country.
No, please understand. No, please listen to me.
Sir, you're still not Who are you and I sitting here to make prescriptions for women and say that this is harmful for you, hence don't do it?
You please ask a question. I'm not that dumb that a question needs to be explained to me. You ask a question.
You didn't answer it the first time, hence I'm explaining
Okay,
it.
you asked a question again. Let me answer this, right? Till we answer, Mr. Joe.
Okay, so
I'm okay.
There's a difference between a man not allowed to enter a woman's toilet and you using the same analogy.
I'm not saying he's not allowed. A man who is a man will not enter. That's all I said.
May I remain the moderator?
I'll get the point. Sorry.
So this whole presumption and the way this is going is coming from a certain fundamental presumption. Because even when I met Javed Sahab last time, he was telling me that some guru told him not to use his mind. I do not know which guru said this. One thing is clear, the advice has been taken seriously.
Okay, how else will you express your love for the nation? First of all, let us be very clear. You have to build this nation in people's minds and hearts. You don't build a nation just around. If you build a road and a bridge and something, nation will not happen. Why should I stand up in a cinema theatre? That's a question. No, not necessarily in the cinema theatre, but how many of you by yourself will go and attend a Republic Day parade or go for flag hoisting on an Independence Day and stand up and sing the national anthem? You don't. So because the only damn place that you go to is a cinema theatre, we are asking you to do it there.
So, tell me one government after 1984, if
See, 1 second, hello. It's not just in 1984 or post-94 we have failed. We have continuously failed a whole lot of people for 70 years. When 50% of the country's population is still not nourished properly, we have obviously failed them. This is why I'm saying this is a question of humanity. This is not a question of nationality.